This is the 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE with all-wheel drive. It has just under 88,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have your 3.5-liter V6 engine putting out 266 horsepower and has 245 pound-feet of torque. And on the interior you have your power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. Over here you have your power driver seat controls with lumbar support, and your interior seating is a beige leather. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this van is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 87,662 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Over here, you have your button for your rear side windows, traction control, rear parking sensors, and your blind spot monitoring. Small storage there. Your power liftgate on and off button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your display by the gauges, as well as your cruise controls. And on your touchscreen display, you have your AM/FM radio, satellite radio, CD player, USB, and auxiliary in, as well as your onboard backup camera with rear parking sensors. Dual zone climate controls, as well as controls for your rear climate, and this is an automatic transmission. You have your USB port and auxiliary in, power outlet, as well as your heated driver and passenger seating. Here you have your pop-out cup holders, storage cubby there, another power outlet, and your center console, additional cup holders, storage in there, and up on top you have your moonroof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape, and up top you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with built-in garage door opener. Up top here you have your controls for your power liftgate and power side sliding doors. And on the exterior, you have your Bridgestone tires on 18-inch alloy rims by Toyota. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your rear privacy glass, roof rails up on top, your Sienna badge along the liftgate, your XLE and all-wheel drive badges. You can see your rear parking sensors there, as well as the trailer tow package. And this vehicle does feature aftermarket remote start. So you're just going to want to hold down the button on the remote, and it will start right up for you. As well, on this vehicle you have a power liftgate, so to open that up you can hold down that button. It will open right up for you. And in the Sienna you do have your third row seating, which does fold down for additional storage, or it does fold back into the floor, so you have a full flat surface. On the left you have a cubby for storage. And on the right hand side you have your light for convenience and power outlet. And your side doors are powered, so you can either open them by pulling on the door handle or holding down the button on the key fob, just like that. Captain chairs here in the middle. Lots of legroom in the back. Storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Down here, you have your pop-out cup holders. Power windows on the left and right hand side doors. Climate controls up top there. Rear sunshades as well. And if you want to access your third row seating, you can pull up on the lever here, push the seat forward, and then you have access to your third row seating, which, as you can see, is also in great condition. So that is the 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE with all-wheel drive. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.